Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Siri on iPhone. So for that, go to settings. I'm going to turn on my Siri. So scroll down and tap Siri and search. From here you have to turn the button on of listen for Hey Siri. So tap on that to turn it on and enable Siri. So okay, I'm going to set up my Siri. Okay, so hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, my Siri is all ready. And if you press your side power button, then you can talk to your Siri. So I'm going to show you that. So if I press my side button, right side button, then your Siri will be here. So look, your Siri is here. So yeah, this is how you can use Siri on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.